Like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an on-feet look at the Kobe 4 gold medals. These originally dropped in 2009 when Kobe won. Well, not just Kobe, but when the Redeem team, that's what we're going to call it, won the gold medal at the Olympics. And it was a great time for Kobe, man, especially for Kobe fans, because Kobe pretty much dominated during that time that he was in the Olympics. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Thank you so much for loving the video, sharing the content, doing all that great stuff. Continue to do that. Hit that like button, man. It helps the algorithm, grabs the videos and grab the channel and put it out to more viewers so I can gain more subscribers so we continue to grow. So I would greatly appreciate that. Now, starting with this sneaker, it is just a typical Kobe 4. I'm going to go over sizing and everything. And as you guys can see, and by the intro, you did see what they look like on feet. But let's go ahead and start with the outer side of the left sneaker. So you have a typical Kobe 4 model, but you do have this hint of this gold. Kind of look like aluminum foil, to be honest with you, on the toe box, as you guys can see wrapping around. You have your blue and red Nike swoosh right there. And then going on the back end of the sneaker, you do have the number 10. That is Kobe's Olympic number. That is the number he wore in the Olympics. So you have that 10 there. On the bottom, you do have hints of that red, white, and blue. Going along the other side of the sneaker, it's the exact same thing. The shoelaces, they only come with one set of laces on these bad boys, and it's going to be like a maroon and red kind of vibes with that, with the sneakers. Not like a red, but this is really more a maroon color. On the tongue, you do have the Kobe logo right here on the tongue, and then it's like that blue kind of like not a nice leather, but it's decent. And then you have the mesh tongue, and then going on the inner side of the shoe is the exact same thing right there. Sizing wise on these things, man, go up a half a size. I always say Kobe's fit snug mainly because they're a performance sneaker. No difference with these things. Go up a half a size. You would greatly appreciate that. Now, if your foot is narrow, I think you could go true to size. But I'm the type of person where I'm thinking Kobe's are hard to get, and before you get them, especially on the resale market, before you get them and you can't exchange them or return them, I'd rather be a little bit bigger than too small, and I can't absolutely do anything with them, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys to definitely go up a half size when it comes to the Kobe's. Resale on these things are pretty good, man. They're sitting right around $250. Retail was $190 after taxes. You end up paying like $203, $206. So you got a little bit of leeway. And I love the fact that it seems like Kobe's are starting to drop in price. So if you're looking to purchase these things, maximum you're probably going to pay is $280 shipped, $285. Give or take maybe $300, but that is not bad compared to a lot of the other sneakers. And I do think they're going to continue to drop in price as they drop more Kobe's, especially considering the fact that resellers are not making that much money off of these things anymore. Because guess what? We ain't buying. So hopefully that continues to happen and we're able to cop Kobe's if we want. Now, I do want to show you guys the insole in the box. So let me show you guys that real quick. All right, so before I show you this box, I do want to show you guys on the right one, you do have the Kobe signature on the right back booty of these things right there. And then where the 10 is, as you guys can see, it is that snake skin right there. So super clean sneaker. But here's the box. You have your standard Kobe box to have the snake skin scales right there. As you guys can see, this is a size 12. That is a price tag and everything if you want to pause that. And if you need to like legit check your sneaker or whatever, on the inside of the box is nothing special, just this white paper. But they did hit us with this insole, which is the gold medal right here. Has a Nike and it says 8/24/08 on there. So super clean sneaker. All in all, I'm glad I was able to add this one to my collection. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about Kobe's, and do y'all think Kobe's are going to continue to drop in price? What Kobe's are you looking forward to? Comment down below. That really helps the channel. And make sure you guys please hit that like button for your boy. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, are just bait or for me to share my faith. Hey, if ain't nobody told you, man, I love you. God loves you. And if it's anything you're going through, give it to him in prayer. I promise you he's gonna take care of you. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack.